And welcome back to Western New York Living. For many, there's a direct correlation between looking good and feeling good. It seems that often the two go hand in hand. My next guest understands this and has built this career on helping people look their very best. Joining us now from Smooth Solutions in Williamsville is Dr. Jack Bertolino. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
We met a few years back on Western New York Living.
Yes, we did.
Tell me a little bit about Smooth Solutions and what you do.
Smooth Solutions medical aesthetics sort of has grown with me and my feelings towards cosmetic medicine and health and wellness. So over the last 10 years, we've gone in a lot of different directions that have been very positive for us.
And as a doctor, you always want to make sure that the procedures that you're doing are medically sound and okay for patients to have.
Yes, the safety is of the utmost concern, and patient satisfaction.
Tell me how body sculpting is doing, because I know you do body sculpting and you've seen incredible results.
Body sculpting has gone in a few different directions, whether it's minimally invasive with Vaser high definition lipo or trying to get little pockets of fat using radio frequency devices that are new and less painful these days.
This is the same person that we're seeing here right now.
Yes, that's a before and after about 5 months later.
Wow, look at this.
This is a picture of a gentleman who has visceral fat. That's internal fat that cannot undergo liposuction. And this is that same young woman, a lateral view about 5 months after the procedure, so you can see how the shape and dynamic lines come in. This again, we can do all color groups. This is another person who got more in the way of shaping. It's not about sucking out as much fat. It's about giving people the most dynamic shape and form and line that you can. And it's not for all people. They have to be looked at, and I have to decide if it's relevant or not for them to go through it.
Relatively pain-free, too.
If you're doing high-definition work, you do need some sedation, and but the pain levels are very tolerable, unlike traditional liposuction. But when you're using radio frequency devices, especially these days, if you're a candidate, they don't hurt at all.
Right. Which is amazing. I also want to talk about, you offer, and because it's Saturday morning television, we'll talk around it a little bit out of respect to a lot of our viewers, but you offer feminine rejuvenation, and for somebody who's had babies, or there's things that can be done to make a woman more comfortable and feel better about herself. Absolutely.
Times have changed a lot since your mom went through menopause and my mom went through menopause. I am the first one in Western New York to have done bioidentical hormone replacement with pellet insertion, which has made a difference in the lives of thousands of women and men as they go through menopause and andropause. Feminine rejuvenation, there's two parts to it. There's the cosmetic end, which can help you maybe not go for a labiaplasty. There's the internal part of it that will stop a woman's stress incontinence with the first treatment, and that is a quality of life issue.
So running and jumping on a trampoline or doing anything like that, their life
Sneezing,
could be right.
Life could be changed.
And that can be very upsetting for a woman who has that.
Women don't quite know what's out there. There's also a need, from my research, for improvement of laxity, of more in the way of sensation, sexually, and as far as the pain that women go through with sexual relations because of dryness. We can change those with thermal radio frequency with 3 treatments.
Answers are right here with Dr. Jack. Thank you for coming by. I know these are hard to get to quickly, but you give us so many answers, and you've been in business a long time. Always nice to see you.
Thank you.
Nice to have you here. All right, Smooth Solutions, they can help you look and feel your very best. To find out more about Vaser Lipo and the other treatments Dr. Bertolino has to offer, I suggest you head over to their website. It's smoothsolutionsmed.com. They're located at 5839 Main Street, Suite 102 in Williamsville. You can also, as easy, just give them a call, 633-6100. It's Smooth Solutions, helping you look and feel your very best. Well, that's a wrap for another Western New York Living for this week. I hope you enjoyed the show. We're going to take off next Saturday, but we're back again here in 2 weeks with another great show for you. Have a safe and fun Memorial Day weekend. Bye-bye.
This segment of Western New York Living was sponsored by Smooth Solutions. Special consideration for today's show paid for by the following: